So today we're going to check in W Amsterdam Hotel, and shout out to our friends who invited us to stay here for 2 nights. This hotel is located in the city center. You can check my description box, guys, for more information. So welcome to W Amsterdam Hotel. The design is really wow, I thought it was a 4D, but it was real. So yeah, this is the waiting area. Okay, so that is the unique design of this hotel. The sofa is made in fabric. So now we're on the way in our room. So the hallways is, it's a little bit dark. We're trying to find our room. And it's in the 5th floor. So finally we arrive in the room, and this is our first time here, so I don't know, I don't have any idea what's inside. So look at this, guys, it's amazing, it's so nice. So later on I will show you guys everything inside. So for now I'm showing outside. This is the view outside. Okay, so yeah, it's so nice. It's a golden color and it's really class. So let's start with this one. So what's inside? Oh, it's a toilet. I thought it's a closet. So yeah, and it has an automatic light, so you don't have to always turn the lights on. I said to my husband, that's the toilet. Yeah, that's a toilet. And this one is the closet, so there is a bathrobe inside. Okay, so it's quite big, it's quite big. So look, guys, I will go inside so you will see how big is it. It's really big. There is an iron as well, and you can boil some water. So you can arrange your clothes here. So this is the shower room. Shower up, gel, shampoo, conditioner, and shower down. And in this area you can wash your face, you can brush your teeth. There is a cream and lotion, have a towels, dental kit, nail kit, and shower cup, toothbrush and toothpaste. So this one is a blow dryer. Have extra tissue, toilet tissue. And a garbage. So this is the cream and the lotion. Very good quality. Okay, and the mirror is amazing. The light is so nice, guys. And the mirror is quite big. So next, let's go to the mini fridge bar. So here there's a drinks, alcohol, there's a table extension, so if you want to make your cocktails, have some chocolates, biscuits, nuts. There is a coffee maker. You can make your own cocktails. Have a box water and glasses. And this is the bed. The bed is so big. And voila, if you want to relax, you can wear their sleepers. So here you can charge your phone, and here you can control the lights, the window, and if you don't want to be disturbed. Here you can put your bag and some other stuff. The lights make this room classy and romantic. The bed is so comfortable, guys, and there is a music there that you can turn on your Bluetooth and play the music. And here you can put your sweater. So all in all, this hotel is perfect. All what you need is here, and the bed is so comfortable, and the room is very clean and smells really good. So I really recommend this to everyone who wants to stay in the 5-star hotel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.